Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Taiwan Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of April 2025, our system has assigned Taiwan Semiconductor a rating of Hold Accumulate, reflecting a score of 0.13. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 6.31% since we initially recommended purchasing Taiwan Semiconductor 10 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.63% per day since it was designated as Hold Accumulate. The stock currently resides at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is expected. A breakout above the upper trend line at $177.12 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but it may also serve as the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 19.58% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 41.48% to negative 18.39%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 9.85%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 9.98% and positive 45.13% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $157.12 and $253.31. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor includes the headline, Evaluation of Taiwan Semiconductor stock downgraded after the last trading session. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock price gained 1.31% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, rising from $172.28 to $174.54. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.69%, with a day low of $171.37 and a day high of $175.98. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.6% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 9 million shares traded for approximately $1.53 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $226.40, while the lowest price was $133.57. Currently, the price is 22.91% or $51.86, below the 52-week high of $226.40, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSM, is presently navigating a turbulent market landscape. Recent discussions indicate that President Trump plans to rescind global chip curbs, a move that could significantly benefit TSM in the short run by easing operational constraints and enhancing export capabilities. However, with ASML maintaining a monopoly over extreme ultraviolet technology, TSM may face competitive pressure in the long term. A popular arbitrage strategy involving TSM is now yielding positive results due to the remarkable appreciation of the Taiwan dollar, presenting a unique trading opportunity for investors. Despite TSM's recent decline of 2.3% amid a broader market downturn, the company's stock has experienced a robust increase of 20% over the past month, signaling strong investor sentiment and potential for continued growth. Analysts remain optimistic about TSM's long-term prospects, particularly in light of its strategic expansions aimed at mitigating geopolitical risks and bolstering U.S. chip production. This perspective is further reinforced as the overwhelming demand for artificial intelligence technologies keeps TSM in the spotlight, positioning it favorably for future gains. Overall, while short-term volatility remains a factor, the fundamentals suggest that TSM could be a strong contender in the semiconductor sector for both immediate trading and long-term investment strategies. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned TSM a hold rating, along with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Susquehanna rated TSM as positive while maintaining a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, Barclays once again rated TSM as overweight with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, Daiwa gave TSM a buy rating, indicating an upgrade action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, Barclays rated TSM as overweight while also applying a hold action. Analysts have assigned Taiwan Semiconductor stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is considered a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be some support from the levels at $172.34 and $163.82, but decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has been indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite an increase in prices, creating a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning. This stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, May 2nd, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 2.64%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 5 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 53 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 47 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor finds support from accumulated volume at $172.97. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock demonstrates average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk level is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.61 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.69%. For the past week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 2.3%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 17th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.13. it is important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $180. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor encounters its first support level at $172.97. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $167.70, reflecting a decline of 3.92%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Taiwan Semiconductor presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current position, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may choose to hold or accumulate while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last assessment. Following our analysis of volatility and market movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 8th of May, we anticipate that Taiwan Semiconductor will open lower by approximately 577 cents, starting trading at $173.96. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.